Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to adjust the tint of any image shot on Google Pixel mobiles. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to edit the tint. Here you can see the edit option on the bottom side of the image. Tap on the edit and scroll towards right to reach the adjust option. In the adjust option, repeat scroll toward right to reach the tint option. Here you can see the tint. Tap on the tint. You can decrease or increase the tint of this image by swiping the toggle towards left or right. Choose the perfect tint for your image by adjusting the value and tap on the done option on the bottom side. Now the settings is changed. Tap on the save copy option on the bottom right corner to save this image into your gallery. By doing this, you can make your images more attractive and beautiful on Google Pixel mobiles. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.